Watch this. Same model, llama 3.1, 8 billion parameters twice. On the left, vanilla. On the right, the same weights with my 100 rules standing in front of it. One variable changes the rules. With rules, seeing is believing. Run this yourself. So ask the vanilla model what rule 2 says. It has no idea. It has never seen my rules. Ask the rules version, and it quotes rule 2 back word for word. That's what, ask the rules. This is the llama model programmed with my words. Now, if I tell the vanilla model I'm about to hard code an API key and commit it, it gives me the standard, this is dangerous, you should never do it, stop, which is great, but it doesn't name the rule and it doesn't enforce the rule. It still does what you say. So when I ask the vanilla model about something the rules doesn't cover, then it has to do this on the fly. Now, if I ask my trained model about something it doesn't cover, it doesn't invent a rule. So the crux of it is that a small model, properly trained, does this for a few dollars a year. And the same work, if you did it through the Frontier API, would cost you hundreds of dollars over the same year. So the thing is, it's overkill to have Claude be Claude Opus be a glorified project manager, when you can train the 8 billion parameter model to be an excellent project manager. And I'm going to even try it on a smaller model. I really like the IBM Granite models, so we'll give that a shot too. So thanks for your attention, and have a look at Ed's rules on github.com/edhaines/eds-rules.